Hi everyone, welcome to my unboxing video of the Synology DiskStation DS923 Plus. Brand new disk station, just got my hands on it. As you can see, looks awesome in the first thing. So let's see how it looks like from the inside. I'm actually unboxing it. Okay, so let's open it up, have a look what's inside. As you can see, so far it looks like the standard packaging that Synology comes with. They got their power cable on the front part, and then all the accessories that comes through. So the network cables there, the power brick, screws, all the standard Synology packaging that we normally see. And let's take it out. Let's have a look at the station itself. As you can see, it's always nicely packed. I love how Synology actually packages all their NASs. As you can see, here it is, nicely wrapped up. Let's open it up and slide it out. And there you have it. That's the first thing. And there's what it looks like. Okay, we've unboxed it, we've taken it out. Now let's have a look at the NAS itself. It looks very close to the 920 Plus, as you can see from chassis wise on that. We have the USB in the front. That's 4 discs. Each of these bays nicely come out. And let's have a look on the back. Got the 2 fans. Network ports there, external power. As you can see here, he has the module where you can put the 10 gig extra expansion card there, and an another USB drive. So yes, we look really forward to people that's actually using the actual 10 gig expansion to see how that actually works, if your network can handle it. And at the bottom where you can put the extra memory inside there, very easy, no screws required. Just flip it open and put it back in again, and then just turn it over. You'll actually see that there's a number 1 and number 2, so you should know which ones will come in first. So very nicely done over there from the Synology point of view. So looking at it, it looks wonderful. Can't wait to actually try it out and test it out and see what there is there. This is my first hands on the 923 Plus. See how it compares to the 920 Plus. But there you go. So there's the brand new NAS in my hands. So please leave a comment, see what you think about it, see if you are willing to, if you're going to upgrade your NAS. If you had a 920 Plus, would you buy a 923? And yeah, love to hear from you. Hit the subscribe below so you get new videos. Thank you for watching.